Alright, so we're back on the Delsol painting these hood hinges. They are going to be a lot whiter than the rest of the car, but the car is going to get repainted. So these are nice and done. I just want to paint them real good so they didn't get rusted and mess up. Clearly that was rusted and that's what happened. So saw the last little segment drop the hood, but that's clearly no good. So we're going to get the hood hinges back on, put the hood on.
And I want you, we can bring it down the floor. I want you, we can bring it down the floor. Never dance like this before. Dancing, oh, feel the boogie all night long. So that I'll never feel alone. They've always been so kind, but now they brought you away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart's too strong anyway. We need to fetch back the time they have stolen from us. I want you, we can bring it down the floor. Never dance like this before. Dancing on to the boogie.
That's the hood done. Latches are on. Just gotta hook up some minor stuff. Take it for a test drive. Oh man, it's been a while. We'll see how it does. See how she goes. Alright everybody. Got the Delsol running. I'm gonna hop in her and start her up real quick. Washed up, cleaned up. Just rinsed her off already. Nothing special. Really decent clean. I'm gonna go for a drive, you know. Finally got started. Ready to keep going on. Alright everybody. Back up in the Delsol. Almost got her together. The ship ball's looking good. I got a boot coming for her. I think I said that in the last couple videos, but for today we'll be changing out the center console. And as you see, that's definitely an automatic, so we'll be putting a manual center console in it, and they'll be white and they'll be a surprise. Alright everybody, we'll see how this works out. Let these little guys out. Come on. Put it back in. Oh. under here. And I might need something smaller, but we'll see what we can do. Yeah, that didn't make too much, but that might be enough. There's little Phillips under here. I'm just gonna take these screws out and not use them. See, there's a little Phillips here, and there's two on the inside there.
I want you, we can bring it down the floor. So that I never feel alone. They've always been so kind, but now they brought you away from me. I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart's too strong. Anyway, we need to catch back the time they have stolen from us. I want you, we can bring it on the floor.
Alright, so I got this from Imported Part, so we're gonna see just if all the lights work. I'm just gonna turn the accessory on and see what we got. You can sort of see the blue lit back there, but I'll definitely record this at night. But looks like everything's working. Looks Looks like the blue's lighting up. I can sort of see it back here when I turn the lights on. Just a little bit. You can sort of see it. I don't know if it's going to catch it on camera. I can see it for the most part of everything. So I definitely come back out here when it's dark and do that. But this came from a importer part. They do YouTube. They have a YouTube channel. It's called I Do Cars. He tears apart blown up engines, usually missing a cylinder. Always informational, always a great time. I loved watching this stuff. Found this on eBay, so found it was his, and I made sure to grab it. So looks like everything works, everything's good. So we're gonna plop it back together and enjoy the rest of the day. It's pretty good. I think this may be the end of the video, but we'll see what I end up editing and doing. But for right now, got a new cluster. Everything's ready. We'll be doing the steering wheel soon. Peace. Alright guys, usual, my merch plug this time is again 1320. They do a great job. They have a ton of street race videos. They do a bunch of other videos too. There's a lot going down on that site, so make sure you check them out. And here you got the cluster for the Delsol at 9. Looks pretty good. Looks really blue. Looks really nice. And as always, go and head on over to the YouTube channel at BTechBees. I also got an Instagram. If you want to follow me on that, make sure to go like and subscribe. Alright, everybody, have a great day.